It may seem like a small and relatively unimportant component, but your customer shouldn't take the hood rod clip for granted. Let's take a closer look at its function and why the hood rod clip is a lot more important than one might think. When the hood rod is not in use, the hood rod clip holds it in place. The clip may be fastened to the vehicle's inner fender, underside of the hood, or radiator core support. This keeps the rod securely in place when the hood is closed. Primarily, this is a convenience so the hood rod can be quickly and easily located. But by securing the rod in place when not in use, the clip prevents the rod from creating a rattle or vibration, or even worse, coming into contact with other components, potentially causing damage to them. The majority of the time, hood rod clips are plastic and they can eventually break. These clips are sold both separately and in multi-packs, which offer a range of sizes to accommodate different diameter rods, as well as different mounting configurations. The best part is, these clips are easy to install, and they are a nice touch that reflects a thorough approach to vehicle maintenance. Many people may not realize you have them on your shelves, so the next time someone asks or you notice one is broken or missing, help your customer find the correct replacement for their car. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.